What have we got here today? We got some new InnoGear Diffuser. Multi-changing lights. She's a smoking away. Got turned on low smoke, low diffuser. Pumping her out. So far, it's a nice one. It's been a real nice one. It's a wood grain color. We got the lights off so you can see it. We'll turn the lights on for you. Changing colors, doing good. Alexa, turn on bar light.
Okay.
There you go. InnoGear. It's a real nice one so far. Very extremely quiet. You hear absolutely no sound. InnoGear from Amazon. It's a real nice one though. I like it. Pumping out a good scent. I forgot what the scent was we got. It's a nice one though. It's real good. There you go. There's our InnoGear Diffuser. There you go. Working good so far.